It's a new day, it's a new beginning. Welcome to the new me. I'm not the same, they don't get it. I'm no longer who I used to be. I've put in the work, I've put in the hours. I've gone from student to master, I've got superpowers. Was a coward, but now I'm empowered. Goal after goal devoured, from the underground to the top of the towers. I made the choice to step up, day after day, relentless, no letting up. I sacrificed so much to start moving up. Trust me, my success ain't luck. I had to be better, I had to be faster, I have to be smarter, I have to work harder than anybody else. I have to do this for myself, I had to transform. They don't even recognize me anymore, but deep down I'm the same person. Change was inevitable, but growth was a choice. I kept myself quiet to rise above the noise. All the sacrifices, all the late nights, I had to live a better life. Better choices, better actions, better decisions, a better living. I did whatever it takes, I had to get it. I've bled the blood, I've cried the tears, I faced my fears, stayed disciplined for years. So much to cope with, kept going, staying laser focused until I got my moment. Things can change for the better, I'm living proof. No matter the challenge, I will make it through. All my life I was told that I wouldn't make it. Look at me